Hi, my name is Sara Dias.
My name is Randy Fonseca, and my son goes to school at St. Louis Living Arts School.
Our experience has been absolutely wonderful. It's been one of inclusivity for Mateo, belonging, growth, and values that are rooted in faith, which is very important to us, and a sense of great community. So what we really like about the school is that it really lives up to its statement that it's a little school with a big heart. The school incorporates the kids' personality into the curriculum, and this has really allowed Mateo to grow not only academically, but as well as his personality and socially. And we really see this through the workshops that are offered. This really helps him integrate with his peers and especially with older kids within the school, but it also allows us as a family to integrate and develop a network for us as well. As you know, we're not from Kenora, so it really has allowed us to be able to integrate into Kenora. And the workshops have really allowed Mateo to try new things that he wouldn't and gain a lot of confidence. We would recommend St. Louis Living Arts School just because it's really important that kids learn that sense of gratitude as well as family and kindness, because it's not only your academic journey that's extremely important, it's also as well your emotional and the ability to actually expand yourself as a person. And I think that's what really has allowed us as a family to enjoy this journey with Mateo.